Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you the new CarPlay stereo that I installed in my 2009 Mini Cooper. I purchased this stereo on ebay.com. I'll go ahead and link the item down below in the description. This is what the main menu looks like. There's music, radio, navigation system, Bluetooth, video, and then of course the applications. For the music, you can actually store your own songs in the SD card on the top. It did come with pre-programmed songs. These are the songs that I've gone ahead and added in the SD card. The unit on the bottom has the buttons to control the home unit, such as going back or going to the home screen. Here I'm previewing the applications. This is the radio. You can preset your stations. It also has a navigation system. I actually don't use this one. I prefer to use the one on the CarPlay, and I'll show you guys in just a bit. This one does take a little while to load, but it works perfectly fine. And here's the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth, you can connect your cell phone or any other devices. It does come with a video application. This is a pre-programmed video that came when I received it, but as you can see, it's really good quality. You can add your own videos in the SD card. And then here are the apps. These are Android applications, and you can browse the internet if you're connected to the internet and much more. And then of course CarPlay, which is the main function that I purchased this for. The way that it works is you connect your phone, and then once it's connected, you go ahead and you open up the CarPlay application. You wait for it to load and to connect, and then once it connects, it'll mirror your phone, and it'll mirror only the CarPlay compatible applications that are on your phone. Once it's connected, you can go ahead and put your phone down and then just control the applications through the unit. And then as you can see, this is the phone app. You can make phone calls. This is the map application. You can actually speak to Siri. You can search just like you would on your phone. And then if you find the location, you simply click on it, you press go, and it'll start directing you.
Head north on Yorba Avenue.
And then you can simply end the route. You can also share your estimated time of arrival with a contact.
Hey Siri, find a Walmart near me.
And then of course you can speak to Siri to find a location as you're driving, or of course as you're in a stop sign. And then once you found it, you can click go and it'll start directing you. And then here are the other compatible CarPlay applications that I have installed on my phone. We have our messages. You can message through the CarPlay system. It won't actually allow you to see your messages. It will only allow you to verbally read them out to Siri. She'll send them out, and then of course she'll read the messages, but you won't ever be able to read them on the screen.
No. Okay, I won't send it just yet. Let me know when you're ready to eat.
And here are some other applications that I have. This is probably the one that I use the most. It's Pandora, and this is what it looks like on the CarPlay system. The stereo works just like your phone. It allows for multitasking within the applications. So if you have the maps open as well as Pandora. It'll allow for the multitasking and both applications are running at the same time. The only downside to this unit is the design, the circular design. You have to kind of find your way in there to click the home screen, but other than that, I really like it. The radio has great connection. I haven't had any problems with it. Here's the SD card. I just wanted to show you guys. You can pop it out, of course, connect it to your computer to install, to upload any music or videos that you want. And then you just push it back in there and it'll start reading your files. And then I just want to show you the night view. This is what it looks like at night. Overall, I'm really satisfied with the quality of this CarPlay unit. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.